Danny Watkins. I get the new bike of the week. Folks, this week we got a brand new Road Glide. It's a 2024 in the white onyx pearl. This thing's all trimmed in black. This year it's got a liquid cooled 117 Milwaukee 8 motor. This one here, we also did a painted interfering, folks, to make them look really customized. Really looks good. And while we're in there, we upgraded the Rockford Fosgate speakers. Also, this one's got the D&D 2-in-1 Fat Cat exhaust. Sounds really good. This one also comes with a new 12.5-inch infotainment system. Really easy to use. Totally redesigned from the ground up. Still got the easy opening one-touch saddlebags. All the controls. It's really simple to use. Please come see Danny and check out all our motorcycles here at American Eagle. Just ask for Danny. Thank you.